close, I was blind, I couldn't see, so I surrendered. I was killed, I was dying, my blood is so wasted, so wasted. For the love that you won't share, it breaks my bone to spread my wings. Never understand the way I touch you. You fade away, captivated, I'm your prisoner. I'll be a soldier from start. I will fight, I'll be your hero till the end. I'll be screaming, I know I gotta set you free. As you whisper in my ear, your voice is haunting me forever, forever. I cry in vain, feel so insane, felt so ashamed of getting tortured. You left me behind. For the love that you won't share, it breaks my bone to spread my wings. Never understand the way I touch you. You fade away, captivated, I'm your prisoner. I'll be a soldier from start. I will fight, I'll be your hero till the end. I'll be screaming, I know I gotta set you free. But then you end the game, you trapped away and closed the door. You got the key and you locked me up all alone in this dark room. You left me behind, left behind, left behind. Captivated, I'm your prisoner. I'll be a soldier from start. I will fight, I'll be your hero till the end. I'll be screaming, I know I gotta set you free, set you free. I know I gotta set you free.
So we talked all night about the rest of our lives, where we're gonna be when we turn 25. I keep thinking times will never change, keep on thinking things will always be the same. But when we leave this year, we won't be coming back. No more hanging out, cause we're on a different track. And if you got something that you need to say, you better say it right now, cause you don't have another day. Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. break every scene.